Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have EARFUN WavePro ANC headphones and I'm going to show you where you can easily find user manual for this device. At first, open your web browser and in your web browser search for your headphones, EARFUN WavePro ANC and tap on it, and after that you have to add to it user manual. And as you can see here we have from FCC report, from EARFUN website and EARFUN website and a lot of more websites. For example, I will choose FCC report. As you can see our file is downloaded. Now we have to tap open and open file. And this is our user manual. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!